Microcomputer-controlled universal testing machine. Microcomputer-controlled pendulum. EDM sampler. Direct reading spectrometer. Portable ultrasonic flaw detector. Handheld spectrometer. Industrial endoscope. Electronic balance. Metallographic Analysis Microscope. Impact specimen notch projector. Brussels Rockwell. Vickers hardness tester. Chemical composition inspection. Intergranular corrosion resistance analysis. Salt spray aging test. ICP spectral analysis. Oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen analysis. High-frequency infrared carbon-sulfur analyzer. Single-piece stamping workshop. Precision plasma cutting machine. Rolling machine, UOE. CNC press brake. Spot welding, pre-welding. Side beam welding system. Flat mouth chamfering machine. Chamber type solution, annealing furnace. X-ray, real-time imaging flaw detector. Hydrostatic testing machine. Pickling workshop. Packaging and shipping area. Steel coil, raw material. Precision slitting. Continuous metal forming workshop. Rectangular tube. Bright, annealing. Pipes for fluid transportation. Underwater air tightness test. Eddy current testing. Polishing workshop. Stocks of some finished products. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting metal fabrication videos.